cabin crew up doors and cross-check. Hello again, please let me introduce you this wonderful team that will be looking after you on today's flight. In the flight deck, our captain Russell with the first officer Jared Azen. In the cabin, please meet Ali at the front, David in the middle of the cabin, and Paul down the rear. We'll now take you through our safety demonstration, so please pause your devices and give us your attention just for a few minutes. Thank you.
Welcome aboard Virgin Australia. Please give us your attention for the next few minutes to help us keep you safe on this flight. Your seatbelt should now be done up low and tight across your hips. To fasten, push the ends together until they click, then pull the strap to tighten. To release, just lift the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on, your belt should stay on too. And even if the sign is off, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened in case of turbulence. If the cabin pressure changes and oxygen is needed, your mask will drop from above you. Immediately pull the mask down to get the oxygen flowing. Remove any face covering, then quickly place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and slip the strap over your head. And while the bag won't inflate, oxygen will flow. So just breathe normally and remember to fit your mask first before helping others. There's a life jacket under or beside your seat. To fit your life jacket, remove it from the bag and slip it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist, clip together, then pull the strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the red toggles to inflate, and for more air, blow into the mouthpieces. Your jacket has a light and whistle for attracting attention. Infant and spare life jackets will be distributed by your crew if needed. Our crew will now point out the emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors at the rear of the cabin. Check where your nearest exits are now and remember they may be behind you. Our crew are also now showing you the escape path lighting that will help guide you to the exits. And if we need to evacuate, leave everything on board. Bringing your bags will slow you down and could damage the escape flights. To find out the brake positions and other important safety information, check the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes isn't allowed on board. This includes in the toilets, which have smoke detectors and alarms. And while on board, follow all instructions from our crew and any illuminated information signs. Make sure your electronic devices are in flight mode. Large devices must be switched off and put away. Please ensure handheld devices are not placed on the seatback device holder and unplug all cables from the in-seat power ports until after takeoff. Power banks can't be used on board and should not be stowed in the overhead locker. Keep your small electronic devices, power banks and spare batteries within easy reach, either in your seat pocket or in a bag under the seat in front of you. If a device or power bank is lost, overheats or is damaged, don't move your seat and let our crew know right away. Finally, stow your tray table, headrest, footrest and seatback device holder. Check that your seat is upright and window blind open. And make sure all bags are under the seat in front of you. The safety of our guests and a safe environment for our crew is our top priority. Thanks for being kind and respectful to each other and to our crew, who are here to look after you. Have a wonderful flight.